Hey everybody, my name's Corey. You're watching Big Rock Overland. Today in this episode, we're gonna swap out our side running rails for some Rubicon rock sliders. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a short and easy one though. All right, so let's show you up underneath here. So if you can see, we've got 3 main places for each cross section, and you've got 4 cross sections on these ones. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And at each cross section, you've got a pinch seam bolt. There's one on each side, so one here and one here. And then you've got one bolt that's right here. These two are the same size, and this one is a different size. These ones are 11s, and this one is a 13. So you're gonna take out both of these and this for each cross section. So you're gonna have 8 of these bolts and 4 of these bolts. Quick little tip for you guys, just to make your life a little easier. Wash your truck first. All right, so as you can see, there's not much room, so you're not gonna wanna use an extender, and then just wrench those 2 bolts out, and then we'll swap, and I'm gonna use an extender to pull this one out right inside there. And I've already pulled this bolt out. We should still be able to just lift this up into place. Just slides right on in. All right. These big old ugly ones, the ones that go straight up in there, that's what I'm putting back in first, just to hold it in place. That's gonna be it for us. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy your new rock rails as much as I'm going to on our next adventure. See y'all in the next one.